By the way, the scope we're using is a very old system scope, and then Kikusui is COS 5100, is 100 megahertz scope. So you're gonna get this done here, and then this is a screen. I focused as much as I could. Let me see if I can get a better shot at it. Let's see. Yeah, the manual works better. Okay. And then we are on the screen there. Okay, we touch the scope right here, and the time thing is on. Now we have to power the unit, which we definitely did, but let me see here. Okay, have this powered up. Let's connect the headphone to it, so we have pointed reference here as well for the sound. So that's basically what we wanted to do to get the sound as well. Sound connects in the bottom of the board here. Then we have as you can hear, there is a pulsating sound that you can hear through the headphone. That's the problem with the board. And then we try to diagnose what is a faulty component. So we connected all that, and then now we're gonna measure it respectfully, as I explained earlier. connecting the scope probe to the emitter and collector. Of each transistor. Turn it a little lower. Okay, this is the base on the first transistor. This is the base on the second one. First and second. Collector and emitters on first one. The second one. Then we check the other transistors as well. Okay, this one and this one so far. There's two of them that look bad. Okay, the third one is up here. The base looks good. The base looks good. The base looks good. Good. Looks good. This one there's a problem with the base as well. Two of them. Okay, there's two that we found that they have issues with. One here and one on top. I'll show you the transistors. So there's one down here and one up there. Okay, turn this down here, and then we can see up closely what I'm talking about. Okay, we connected to the base on this one. There was an issue with it. You saw the signal. This one was okay. We connected to the base on this transistor. There was an issue with it. This one was okay. So we have two fault transistors so far, and we're gonna go a step down further to break it down to more issue. I'm gonna show you what the image looked like on a scope when we found the fault. You already saw it, but to refresh and clear it up, I'm gonna focus this manually because it looks better. And then there we are. Okay, so this is the bad transistor. This is the good one. good, the bad. See the difference in waveform? And yeah, so far we found 2 bad transistors, and we gotta go ahead and check the other components as well, because we want to make this like it was the first day that we bought it. So we're going to change every single component that we see is running down. Alright, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Make sure you subscribe. Then we talk about it later. Thank you guys.